Hey there, this is Matt from Sheet Gurus. I want to give you a demo of our software solution. We are a bulk texting tool that you can use to send text directly from Google Sheets. So, let's assume you have a bunch of data in Google Sheets and you want to text somebody. Go to your extensions, click on Sheet Gurus SMS, and it'll load. Assuming you have an active account, you'll see something like this. The first thing to do is sync active sheets to make sure all the data is loaded. Then you can build your message. As an example, we're writing a message to all employees to remind them about a Secret Santa gift exchange coming up on Friday, utilizing the data from our employee roster to make sure each message is personalized. This is the basic functionality. You can have hundreds or thousands of phone numbers and contact information to send whatever you want. Now let's send a message by clicking the blue button. Let's check out the Outbox feature that shows the delivery status of each group of messages. Clicking into a parcel on the Outbox tab will provide further details on delivery and list any delivery errors, should they happen. If you receive a message, a notification will pop up on the top right-hand corner. Simply type your response in the bottom box and press Send to respond directly to that person. We also have the ability to schedule text messages for the future. Click the Schedule for Later button to pick a time to send the message. The scheduled message will appear in your Outbox as scheduled. If you click on the parcel that is scheduled, you'll be presented the option to cancel if needed. We also have the ability to attach pictures. You can simply choose the picture and send it along with your text. We also offer the ability to forward incoming messages to your personal phone number or email address. You can set this up in the Settings tab shown here. And that's a quick demo of the most important Sheet Gurus features. We're always adding to the product and take customer feedback quite seriously, so let us know if you have any suggestions. Links to download and sign up are in the description. Use code TRY20 to get $20 in free usage credit. Happy texting!